Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Wix domain to Shopify. So first thing that you do here is you just have to open your Wix account or Wix website. After that, in the other tab, log into your Shopify account as well. So once you're here on your Wix website, all you have to do is to proceed to your domains. Then you have here now your domain. So all you have to do is to copy this one. That's right. And then open your Shopify store. Right here, click on the settings. That's right. And click on the domains option. So right here, just have to click on this connect existing. That's right. And then paste here the domain. Now click on next. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. After that, you just have to connect automatically. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and then this page will pop up. So once you're here, you'll be able to see this website. So connect to koi.one and change your domain's DNS records. So click on connect. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see right here, you have successfully connected your domain to your Shopify store. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.